The 2014 Tundra. Tundra has a number of unique features useful for those using it as a work truck, including extra large door handles, a deck rail system, and an integrated tow hitch. Included as standard are vehicle stability control, traction control, electronic brake force distribution, anti-lock brakes, and tailgate assist. With a towing capacity of up to 10,000 plus pounds and a payload capacity of over 2,000 pounds, the Tundra is the perfect mix of power and efficiency and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual front airbags, power steering, home link garage door opener, keyless entry, auto dimming rear view mirror, PPO, cruise control, automatic stability control, 6-way power adjustable front driver seat, center armrest, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, security system, MP3 capability, backup camera, child safety locks, dual zone climate control, leather wrapped steering wheel, power driver mirror, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.